Out with the old and in with the new to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and this is a project that we do at the end of every year. My daughter and I went through socks, unmated socks. You know how socks get lost in the dryer and you throw a pair in together, but you only find one, and then later you end up with a bag or a basket full of mismatched or unmatched unmated socks. And at the end of the year, we match them all up and we make sure that we go through and we get rid of the socks that are old and cruddy, and then we replace them with new things. Same with anything in our lives or in our businesses especially. What do we need to get rid of? What do we need to stop doing? What do we need to let go of? What do we need to eliminate from our business? Out with the old, in with the new. What do we need to replace it with? Because whenever we get rid of something, we create a vacuum and we need to replace that with something. This is one of those idioms or expressions, out with the old, in with the new. Sharon from Supersize Your Business here. We are doing, I guess I haven't decided the theme for January of 2022 yet. Today is New Year's Day. I think it'll probably be a month of new or changing or committing to type idioms, things that we do, like New Year's resolutions. We'll probably have a couple New Year's resolutions once, and I might save those for about the second or third week of the month, because that's when everybody stops doing their New Year's resolution. So out with the new, out with the old, in with the new. What does this remind us of? It's actually it's of Scottish origin. It came from the Douglas clan. I guess they have clans in Scotland. And the Douglas clan, the leader of it was Lee Douglas, I believe the fourth. And at the time, his mother was running the household for him. Turns out she was a prostitute. He didn't like that, so he kicked her out with the old, and instead replaced her with his then young new mistress. And the saying, out with the old, in with the new, became popular. We use it to describe a lot of things. We use it to ring it out and in the new year, right? Out with the old year, in with the new. We use it in relationships, out with the old wife, in with the new young wife, or significant other of whatever gender or non-gender, gender neutral, whatever you choose to be involved in these days. So as the new year begins, my question for you is, what are you letting go of? What are you personally letting go of and maybe delegating so that you have more time and energy for the things that are best suited for your time and energy? What are you beginning? What new things are you beginning or adding to your business or your life to make it an awesome year? Because every year and all the time, really, we need to be filtering through and letting go of things that no longer serve us and adding things that make us better human beings, better examples of human beings as well as business owners and leaders, and set us up for success in becoming what it is and who it is we want to become, creating the business we want to see in the world. I will say that forever. We are here to create what we want to see in the world, because that's where our power lies, our true power lies. So happy New Year, happy 2022. It's going to be an amazing year. I'm going to continue to share idioms because it's fun, it's educational, it keeps me on my toes in terms of thinking what things mean, thinking in different ways than I normally would with respect to business topics, business ideas. It keeps me open and fresh, and it's like, I say it's like improv. It's like you're given a topic and all of a sudden you have to talk on that topic. It's kind of the same thing that I'm doing with the idioms. I find them valuable for my life and my continuous improvement and personal development. I hope you find them that as well. If you'd like to see changes in this or in this segment, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another new beginning, or new beginnings. I think I'll do a week of new beginning idioms. Have an amazing day. Happy New Year. I'll be with you tomorrow.